Most people don't realize that the profit margins, like you said, on lasers are much higher than injections. The average profit margin on a laser technology treatment is about 75% gross profit. So, if you're selling something for $1,000, it's going to cost you, got a high end, probably even 20%, probably 20, 200, it'll cost you $200 at most, maybe even less, versus the injectables. A lot of times it's 100% markup. You got to get rocky and rolling. So the margins are really strong, but there's an investment. There's a monthly cost involved. The only thing in the injectable world currently that I feel has a huge profit margin, like huge, is PDO threads. PDO threads is a large profit margin, unlike anything I've seen. I lied. There's one thing that's more. Sclerotherapy. You paid nothing for that little saline solution. It probably cost me, I don't know, 10 cents, 20 cents. You sell it for, most people charge $250, $300 for 15 minutes. So it's $1,000 an hour. And you're like, no product cost. Then PDO threads after that. Sclerotherapy is a little more niche. I think PDO threads, a non-surgical facelift using sutures. I love that. I actually want to get some for a little drooper on my mouth right now because I'm in my 50s and I'm getting that. But that is a really nice profit margin. So you can actually get to the profit land faster on that than you ever will on a Botox or a filler. So there's give and take.